La 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 la. Oh, why, hello there. Ah, oh no. Yes, indeed. And I know your secret identity. Ah, here's the real one. Stay out of my fucking house, you bitch. Ha ha. And now I yield a no. Now I eat your love. Whoa. Oh shit. That's a lot of love. Wait. Oh. Ow. That fucking hurt. Whoa. Well, I guess he's dead forever. I wonder if there's anything on this cow. No. Hello. I'm ugly now. Wow, do you guys want to be ugly too? Aren't you tired of being cool? Yeah. Ooh. Ugly. Ugly. What the fuck, guys? Ugly. Oh my god, we almost died. Wowza. Oh shit. We all have magic or ready to fucking murder you. Hey, you don't have to be evil. Perhaps it's time for another villain redemption. Don't you wanna be redemptioned? Don't you wanna be good? No! Fuck you! You're a little shit, and you need to die right now! I hate you all! You will perish when I find you! Huh.